So here we're looking at an example of all of the bathroom interior elevations. So literally everything in the school is elevated, and you're trying to call out all the different tile patterns. Similar to what it looked like in residential, just there's a lot more things to call out. Because here on a commercial project, we have to worry about all the hand guards and clearances for ADA inside a bathroom, and even the fountains have a bunch of ADA concerns. And you're just calling out all the different little items that we want: the toilet paper dispenser, the toilet cover dispenser, the handrails, the soap dispenser, the hand dryer. Everything has to be called out, in addition to all of the tile patterns and the floor finishes. So commercial just gets a lot more in depth with a lot more detail. And in commercial, your drawings are your contract. So residential, they're pretty loose with the drawings. You can draw something and then they may do whatever they're going to do. In commercial, whatever you put in the drawings is contract. So when you're drawing for commercial, it's a little bit like you're making a contract. All right, so that kind of concludes this lecture. I hope you learned a little something, and going forward for our exercises, we won't be going into near this amount of detail in our elevations, but it's good for you to know professionally what would be required from you when you're in a paid environment.